Is it time to buy or sell Zepp Health stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Zepp Health. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has ranked Zepp Health as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.31. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 1,356.51% since we first listed Zepp Health as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This translates to an average return of 35.7% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $44 will initially indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 269.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 81.28% to 315.15%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 30.46%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 86.62% to positive 44.92% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $5.24 and $56.78. Our latest daily update for Zepp Health highlights a volatile ride for Zepp Health Corporation's stock price on Tuesday, moving between $36 and $42. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, the stock price fell by nearly 10%, dropping from $43.48 to $39.18. During this trading session, the stock exhibited significant fluctuation, ranging 16.67% from a low of $36 to a high of $42. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 of those days, resulting in a rise of over 62% in the last 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume often follows the price trend. On the last day, trading volume fell by 187,000 shares, with a total of 910,000 shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $35,640,000. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $43.93, while the lowest was $2.13. Currently, the stock price stands 10.81%, or $4.75, below the 52-week high and 51.63%, or $41.82, below the all-time high reached on the 19th of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $81. Zepp Health is making significant strides this summer with a series of new product launches, notable athlete endorsements, and recent quarterly results that are capturing investor attention. The Amazfit brand has introduced the Balance 2 smartwatch and the Helio strap, alongside a square version of the Active 2, thereby broadening its range of devices and appealing to both performance-oriented and mainstream consumers. Additionally, Zepp has secured high-profile ambassadors ranging from elite trail and ultra runners to NFL running back Derrick Henry, clearly aiming to enhance brand visibility and credibility in the realm of performance tracking. The company has also shared its second quarter 2025 results and conducted its earnings call, with market analysis highlighting revenue growth, improving margins, and a projected pathway to profitability by 2026 as Zepp focuses on its Amazfit transition, artificial intelligence software, and a user base it can monetize. In the short term, anticipate volatility driven by headlines. Product launches and athlete partnerships may elevate sales and sentiment, while quarterly metrics and guidance will influence stock movements. In the long term, the successful execution of its product ecosystem, software monetization, and margin discipline could validate higher valuations. However, an inability to convert user growth into recurring revenue or continued net losses would pose downside risks. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned ZEPP an overweight rating with an initiate action. Analysts had assigned Zepp Health stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Zepp Health. The Zepp Health Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is observed due to the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $36.06 and $17.02. A breakdown below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Monday, August 18, 2025, resulting in a decline of nearly 10%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps mitigate overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 35 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 16 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a buy signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. The long-term moving average displays a buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zepp Health. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.76 and $34.24. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this scenario, Zepp Health Corporation finds support just below today's level at $34.76. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $34.24 and $31.80. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, demonstrating volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6 between high and low, which equates to 16.67%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 16.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Zepp Health, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or earning negative income. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. Nevertheless, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zepp Health. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zepp Health is at $43.48. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zepp Health faces its first support level at $34.76. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.09, reflecting a decrease of 5.34%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 83, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Zepp Health stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There's a reasonable chance for Zepp Health Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we anticipate Zepp Health to open lower by 12 cents, starting trading at $39.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.